Looking for easy Christmas treats for your busy family? We have you covered. Welcome to our quick guide on whipping up delectable and festive delights that require minimal time and ingredients. Today, we'll be sharing 5 scrumptious recipes that are perfect for this joyous season. Chocolate-dipped pretzels, peanut butter balls, Rice Krispie Treats, peppermint bark, and sugar cookie bars. Each one is simple to make and guaranteed to spread the holiday cheer. So, without further ado, get ready to whip up some Christmas magic. First up, we have the ever-popular chocolate-dipped pretzels. This delightful treat is not only delectable but also incredibly easy to make. Here's what you need to do. Start by laying out your pretzels on a baking sheet. Now let's bring in the star of the show, the chocolate. Melt your choice of chocolate, dark, milk, or white, in a heat-proof bowl over simmering water. Stir it until it's smooth and glossy. Next, dip each pretzel halfway into the melted chocolate. Give it a little shake to remove any excess, then lay it back on the baking sheet. For a festive touch, sprinkle them with crushed candy canes or colored sugar before the chocolate sets. And here's the best part. This is a fun activity that everyone can get involved in. From dipping to decorating, it's a great way to bond this holiday season. And there you have it, delicious chocolate-dipped pretzels made in minutes. Moving on, we have the irresistible peanut butter balls. This decadent treat is the perfect blend of sweet and salty, and the best part is, they're incredibly simple to prepare. Here's how it's done. First, grab a bowl and combine a cup of creamy peanut butter with 2 cups of powdered sugar and a 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter. Stir everything together until the mixture is smooth and firm. Next, roll the mixture into small balls, about 1 inch in diameter, and place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Now let's add some chocolatey goodness. Melt a cup of chocolate chips in a microwave or over a double boiler. Once it's smooth and glossy, dip each peanut butter ball into the chocolate, making sure it's fully coated. Return them to the baking sheet and refrigerate until the chocolate has set. Voila! Your peanut butter balls are ready to be devoured. Trust me, they'll be the first to disappear from your Christmas treat table. Scene script. Next we have 2 festive favorites, Rice Krispie Treats and Peppermint Bark. First up, Rice Krispie Treats. Start by melting some marshmallows and butter in a large pot over low heat. Once it's all gooey and smooth, add in those snap, crackle, and pop Rice Krispies. Stir until they're fully coated and then press the mixture into a greased pan. Let them cool and voila! You have a batch of Rice Krispie Treats ready to enjoy. Want to add a bit more holiday flair? Consider sprinkling some red and green candies on top before the mixture sets. Our next treat is Peppermint Bark. Begin by melting white chocolate in a heat-proof bowl over simmering water. Once it's all silky and smooth, stir in crushed peppermint candies. Spread this mixture onto a parchment-lined baking tray and let it chill until firm. Then, break it into pieces. You can adjust the amount of peppermint according to your taste preference. Both these treats are not only delectable but also customizable. You can add different toppings, use different types of chocolate, or adjust the sweetness levels to your liking. Plus, they make wonderful gifts. Just wrap them up in some festive packaging and you have a homemade, heartwarming Christmas gift ready to share with your loved ones. And there you go, 2 easy yet delightful Christmas treats to spread the holiday cheer. Last but not least, we present to you the classic sugar cookie bars. Their simplicity is their charm. Start with a basic sugar cookie dough, add in your choice of festive sprinkles, and press the mixture into a baking dish. Bake until golden brown, then allow to cool before slicing into delectable bars. These treats are perfect for those unexpected holiday get-togethers. You can whip up a batch in no time, and they're just as easy to transport. Plus, their classic taste is a crowd pleaser, sure to satisfy every sweet tooth in the room. So there you have it, 5 easy Christmas treats that won't keep you chained to your oven this holiday season. Remember, the joy of Christmas isn't just found in the treats we eat, but in the time we spend with loved ones. And that's it for our quick and easy Christmas treats. With these recipes, you can make your holiday season sweeter without spending hours in the kitchen. Happy holidays!